Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all students. How are you all? Our today's topic is about manufacture of sodium metal from fused sodium chloride. On the industrial scale, molten sodium metal is obtained by the electrolysis of fused NaCl in the Downs cell. What is fused NaCl? When we heat solid NaCl to convert it into liquid form, it is called fused NaCl. And when we heat sodium chloride at 100 degrees Celsius temperature, it will convert into a molten or melt form. This is called fused form of NaCl. The electrolytic cells is a circular furnace. In the center there is a large block of graphite which acts as anode, while cathode around it made up of iron, as shown in the figure. As you can see on the screen, here is the diagram of Down cells apparatus. In Down cells, sodium metal and molten mixture of sodium chloride and calcium chloride. Why we use sodium chloride and calcium chloride? Because sodium chloride and calcium chloride, they prevent the ionization of sodium chloride, because sodium chloride has less ions formation due to in the fused form. Sodium metal, when we provide, here is the diagram which is in your syllabus. Here is sodium chloride inlet. It is the pore from which we pour sodium chloride inside the tank, a graphite tank, and inside the tank and inside the glass chlorine gas outlet, and molten NaCl is collected at cathode, and molten NaCl and iron cathode or sodium metal. Steel screen to prevent sodium and chlorine intermixing. Working of Down cells, the fused NaCl produce sodium and chlorine ions which migrate to their respective electrodes on the passage of electric current. The electrodes are separated by steel gauze to prevent the contact between the products. The chloride ions are oxidized to give chlorine gas at the anode. It is collected over the anode within an inverted cone shaped structure, while the chloride ions are oxidized to give chlorine gas at the anode. It is collected over the anode within an inverted cone shaped structure, while sodium are reduced at cathode and molten sodium metal floats on the denser molten salt mixture from where it is collected in a side tube. Following reactions take place during the electrolysis of the molten sodium chloride. Sodium chloride will convert first of all into ions, and half cell reaction at cathode. The co-chloride ions will convert into chlorine plus 2 free electron, and these half cell reaction, oxidation and reduction take place at cathode. The sodium add 2 electrons and convert into sodium metal. Overall galvanic reaction is the sum of these two half cell reactions. Sodium chloride is 2 sodium chloride will convert to chlorine and 2 sodium metal atoms. Listen girls, our today's topic is only till here, so